Asexual reproduction is when a single individual gives rise to an offspring that is identical to itself and to one another. This kind of reproduction doesn't need penetration. Most of the plants reproduce due to this kind of reproduction, and most of animals that have it are like birds and sea animals. Fission is a type of asexual reproduction that bacteria use to divide its original cell and then produce another two cells to repeat this process. Pairing is another type of asexual reproduction in which this organism develops from a bud due to the cell division at one particular site of this organism. The new one attached that is attached to the original grows, and when it's mature, it separates from the parent organism. And the last type of asexual reproduction is fermentation, in which this organism is split into fragments, and each of these fragments develop into mature, growing as an identical organism to its parent, so it's basically like a clone. One advantage is that in the asexual reproduction in plants, it's the speed because the asexual reproduction doesn't involve the gamete formation, so this process is quickly. And one disadvantage is that in the animals, when it's an organism is reproduced by the sexual reproduction, it is probably that they don't live as an organism that was reproduced by sexual reproduction will do, because in the sexual reproduction, like if a clone, you don't have the genes of both parents, so it's difficult that they survive to climate changes or the environment.